I think when we made that correction, if I'm remembering correctly, I think we went from a cooling trend to a slight warming trend. And then ever since then, it's been a warming trend, actually by sort of ever-increasing amounts.
Dr. Spencer's blog provides a very useful portal to the most recent satellite readings, which do not support the idea of global cooling. Several recent months have been the warmest in the satellite record, and the overall upward trend is easily discernible, even to the untrained eye. Climate is not weather, and trends are measured not in months or years, but decades. In every major temperature database, each of the last 3 decades has been warmer than the one preceding. Climate deniers like to cherry-pick a short period in a longer record to make their claims, while ignoring the obvious long-term profile. In the NASA graph for the last 20 years, 2005 is the hottest year, with 1998, 2007, and 2009 tied for close second. Climate deniers chronically point out that 1998 was warmer than this or that year in an attempt to obscure the overall trend. One of the key cyclical processes for global temperature is the Pacific warming oscillation known as El Niño, and its opposite number, the cooling La Niña. In our graph, we can factor in the warming push that El Niño gives, and the dampening effect in the La Niña years. 1998 was boosted by an enormous El Niño event, and the record reflects warmings in each subsequent El Niño year, including 2010. Likewise, La Niña events show up in years that are cooler, but still part of the overall warming trend. You may be wondering what happened in the early 90s, when a sizable El Niño coincided with a temporary cool spell. 1991 saw the largest volcanic eruption since 1912, Mount Pinatubo, which ejected enough reflecting particles into the atmosphere to cool the planet for several years.